Hey guys, I am back with another helpful YouTube video. So today's video we are discussed about YouTube channel benefits and how to start your own YouTube channel. Before we start, make sure subscribe the channel and hit the like button. So let's get started. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2021, so it's not too late. Because the platform has more than 2B monthly users, which means you have plenty of opportunities to find and grow your ideal audience. So what's the benefits of YouTube channel? YouTube gives you a free platform to show your work talent. If you use YouTube for your business, you can easily reach your audience. And most important, you can make money with YouTube videos. So, I have question in my mind. Who can start a YouTube channel and how to create a channel? So the answer is very simple. Anyone start a channel. But for creating a channel we need a Google account. That's it. For creating a YouTube channel, make sure you decided a good name for your channel according to your content. After that, go to YouTube and log in your Google account. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile, then click My Channel, and choose a name of your channel. So that's it, your YouTube channel is now created. Now you can upload a video on your channel, and engage with your audience. Keep upload a good content and grow your channel fast. If you have a question about creating YouTube channel, comment below. I will try to solve them. So that's it, if you like the video hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay safe and stay healthy.